Hello, Patrick, and welcome to another episode of Tesla Trip. Today we're reviewing the coverings for a Tesla Model 3 and Y first generation center console. This is a matte black cover-up for the glossy piano black that comes with the car. And a lot of people have complained because it shows fingerprints and dirt and it scratches real easy. So this is cool. Instead of like a vinyl that you have to line up and get all the bubbles out of, it's a hard shell plastic that just kind of goes on with some 3M tape that's already put on there, and it looks great. As you can see here, you just peel it off, you stick it on, and I definitely think this is a much better idea than going with a vinyl wrap. And it matches the rest of the interior. The matte black is pretty much the same as the steering wheel and the side doors in terms of coloring. The texture is smoother, but I think it looks really good, and I would highly recommend it if it's a work vehicle or if you have a family. If it's a show car, I don't know, the piano black's kind of cool. But if you want to, you can get this yourself. We have a code. You can save a little bit of cash. It also helps us out a little bit. As far as the product goes, I'd give it a 9 out of 10 just because the texture isn't 100% identical to like what's on the doors. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty slick. Thank you guys for watching so much. Comment below on what you think about the product. And if you want more videos like these, I get offers all the time. I only pick the ones that I'm actually interested in and look good before I actually decide to review them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll see you guys next time. I'm also on Walking Crow if you want to. I'm on Twitter as Walking Crow if you want to chat. We'll see you guys next time. And say thank you to Phoenix the Tuber behind the camera. This has been a Two Smart Guys production.
We'll be back.